All right, and we're back with example 3 and 4 from 8.2 on finding the volume of three-dimensional figures. And here we're going to find the volume of a cylinder. So not a rectangular prism anymore, it's a cylinder which has a circular base and then a circle at the top as well. And the idea of finding the volume of a cylinder is exactly the same as a rectangular prism, although our formula may make a little bit more sense here with what we have. Here's our information from our cylinder from the formula sheet. So we have our area, and then the volume is right here. So once again, it's the area of the base times the height, or pi r squared times the height, and we'll talk about where that comes from here now. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the volume, or the area of the circle at the bottom, which is the base of the cylinder. So I'm going to find the area of this circle, and then once we have the area of this circle, we're going to multiply that by how tall the cylinder is. The area of the circle is pi r squared. So what I'm going to do is take pi times the radius squared. Notice here we're given that this length here is 12, and that's the diameter. It's the whole line across here. So that's the diameter. The radius is half of that. So in this case, the radius will be 6. I'm going to do pi times 6 squared, because 6 is the radius. This right here is the area of the circle. And then we're going to multiply that by the height of the cylinder, which is 18, directly from our formula down here for the volume of a cylinder. So pi times 6 squared times 18, we do the exponents first. 6 squared is 36. We have 36 times pi times 18. Now I can multiply the 36 and the 18, which gives us 648. The exact volume of this cylinder is 648 pi. If I want a decimal approximation, I can change pi to 3.14, and I do 648 times 3.14, which gives us 2,034.72. So that would be the volume of this cylinder as a decimal approximation. Next example, same kind of deal. It's the volume of a cylinder. So we're going to find the area of the circle, and then we'll multiply that by how tall the cylinder is. So here we're given this length here is 28. That's the diameter, because it's the whole way across the circle. The radius is going to be 14. So I'm going to do pi times 14 squared, because 14 is the radius of the circle. This right here, pi times 14 squared, gives us the area of that circle. And I'm going to multiply that by 32, because 32 is the height of the cylinder. 14 squared is 196. 14 squared is 196. We have 196 pi times 32. 196 times 32 is 6,272 pi. This right here is the exact volume of the cylinder. If we want a decimal approximation, change pi to 3.14, do the multiplication, and you get 19,694.08 would be the decimal approximation of the volume of this cylinder.